Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the part or assembly you intend to change. Once the model is open, right-click the part name in the Feature Manager and choose Edit Material to open the Material dialog. Make sure the document units match your design intent because density and strength values depend on units. From here, browse the Solidworks material database categories: steel, aluminum, plastics, and prepare to pick a material that matches your functional and manufacturing requirements. Once you've opened the library, navigate to the most relevant category and select a candidate material to evaluate. If you need to change values, copy that entry into your custom database to avoid overriding defaults. Edit key properties like density, yield strength, tensile strength, and elastic modulus so simulation and mass calculations are accurate. Also set appearance and finish for rendering. Make incremental changes and click Apply to see immediate updates in mass and section properties. After customizing, click Apply then OK to assign the material to the part or selected bodies. Verify by opening mass properties and confirm mass, center of gravity, and volume match expectations. If you use simulation, run a quick static or factor of safety study to see how the material affects results. If values look wrong, make sure you didn't assign material at the assembly level that overrides part settings or that duplicate custom databases aren't conflicting. Correcting the assignment usually fixes mismatches.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.